Kia ora team. Well, the weather patterns seem to have changed in the last few weeks with squadrons of low pressure systems up in the tropics, and the Southern Ocean ain't looking too shabby either. The in-depth weekend surf outlook and our Kiwi owned cams are on the website, goodsifnow.co.nz. Righto, let's take a look out east first, and on Thursday you'll notice a solid east angled wind field past the Chathams. That's been there for a minute and should serve up some surfable and fairly long period nuggets to the northeast and southeast coast, focused on Gizzy, East Cape mainly. Sunday could be good down there, but Coro and Northland should also cop some decent surf if the wind plays ball up to a metre on the magnets and quite pushy at 12 seconds. Up north and the Bay of Plenty a bit smaller because they're in the swell shadows of Aotea and East Cape respectively, but hopefully a bit of fun to be had there too. The east swell also hits Wairarapa and down to the South Island too, including Kaikoura and Christchurch, but it'll get smaller as you head south. The other swell in the water below East Cape is a southwest swell from a storm tracking underneath the country, 2 metres in the Catlins but not huge elsewhere because the main direction of the swell is out to sea, but some of it will wrap in and it should add to the equation in Otago. The south facing breaks in Canterbury and as far north as Gizzy. This swell is the only show in town for Wellington and the south coast. By itself it's not that flash, but parts of Palliser could be okay Sunday with light easterlies. West coast, we've got to rewind a bit. On Thursday there's a little swell maker underneath Tassie which will provide the ground swell for the weekend, and then if we zoom in we can see some localised southwesterlies off the coast which will add some shorter period and quite junky wind swell into the mix. So if you look at the graphs, there's the peak of the ground swell at 15 seconds on Friday. Then on Saturday there's your southwesterly winds and some extra short period wind swell on top. So the beaches are looking scruffy and the north facing points and reefs could also have a bit of extra lump and bump from that short period swell. Nelson's Flat, Kapiti and them, maybe a longboard wave on the swell magnets. We talk about all of this and more on the website. Go check it out and have a good one team.